Hello, we arrived to the Express X Live lecture event to find out what's really happening in this strange program. Take a look.
So you can see many Israelis here joking, smiling, having fun in English. That's perfect. That's amazing.
They are paying you money to learn English.
To suffer, basically.
To suffer? Why do they need it?
They don't. They don't really need it.
Thank you for telling me the truth, of course.
Exactly, of course.
Feel comfortable talking in English, or it's a little bit cracking?
Now, after a couple of weeks that I'm working with my coach, yes. Before it, I was a little bit afraid.
From 1 to 10, how much do you enjoy this course? Say 0.
0?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Why do you need this program?
Because it's pretty cool.
I love the course and I love that I have a mentor and something that
Do you like the mentor? Or
Yeah, I love the mentor. Guy is my mentor.
You learn English because you want to escape from Israel?
No, because
Say yes, please.
Yes.
Thank you very much.
Now it's a different opera. Like
But it's worst.
it's worse.
not
but
good.
It's not good, but it's better than.
It's okay,
better
a little bit
It's a
better
little
than
bit
the education system.
Yes.
It's a great program, and you should do it.
You mean that I should do it?
I mean that we should do it.
That's all from the Express X Live lecture event. To recap, please sing us a song in English. You are a singer.
Started from the bottom, now we're here. Started from the bottom, now my whole team freaking here.
And I'm a material girl, and I'm a material girl.
Here we are in the center of town. Look, everybody here again. We are
Talking.
They are
Walking.